Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please press the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you for always stopping by. In today's video, I am going to show how I make my cake vanilla. As you can see, my ingredients is here, is ready to go inside my bowl. This is my bowl right here. The butter is already inside the bowl already. So we have the flour here, baking powder. We have 3 eggs, sugar, nutmeg. I hope you guys are seeing it. We have salt. We have vanilla. We have vanilla cream. We have flour here. This is flour. We have milk, and we have, you can use it to make donuts. You can also use it to make cake. I'm going to decorate it with this you are seeing here, guys. It's going to be yummy. So because I'm going to be making it with this bowl here, I'm going to be making it with, last time I taught how I make my lime cake. Today I am showing how I'm going to make my vanilla cake. Let's get started. Stay tuned and watch to the end, guys. Let's start. Now we are going to be I'm going to mix my butter with my machine. That will be so easy for me to mix with this my machine. Let's get started, guys. This noise is too much. I will get back to you when I finish mixing it, okay? See you guys later. Okay, as you can see now, this is the first one. I have to put egg. I have 3 egg yolk here. I have to put it inside to mix everything together. As I said before earlier, the machine with the noise is too much. I don't want the noise to be disturbing. So when I finish mixing it, guys, we'll get back to you. Okay, guys, as you can see, this is the vanilla. I just put 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add it inside and mix it together with the flour. Okay, I'm going to mix everything together. I don't want to put the vanilla too much. If not, it will not be okay. So that is why I put that 1 thing of spoon. Okay, now let's mix it. Okay, guys, as you can see, I've already finished mixing the flour. Everything is already mixed here. So what I will do now, I have to put it here. What you are seeing now is just butter. So now I will be taking all these things inside. I put that butter so that it will not gum inside. So easy. You see, this one will be inside, so that when the cake is ready, when I'm removing it, it will be very easy for me to remove. Okay, now I did not finish the flour because it was too much for me, so I removed from it. Okay. To put it one by one. Stay tuned, guys. I think what I'm doing now is a little bit complicated. I have to use spoon on this. Okay, let me use spoon so that it will be easy for me. Okay, my people, as you can see, I finished everything already. Is here. The cake is here already. It's ready to go to the oven. Everything did not contain here, so I just keep some here. So the other one is here. So now we have to put it in the oven. I on the gas already. Let's do I just put it in the 180 degree. Okay, guys. See you guys later. Continue washing. And sorry, guys, I have to leave it for at least 1 hour. 1 hour, the cake is ready. Sorry, guys, I forgot to put this. I have to put it. I don't want to put. Sometimes you can also put it when it's outside already, but for me, I just want to put it when it's inside so that everything will just gone. Because when you bring it outside already, you put it will look like it will be removing. So I don't want that to happen. I just want to put it and everything will just run together. Okay, I'm taking it back to the oven now. I just want to let you guys know because I don't want to put it when it's done already. Everything will just come together. See you guys later. Voila, guys, can you see that? Can you see how my cake look like? Wow, can you see? Oh, the money is still inside the oven. I feel like eating it already. I just want to show you guys how it's going. Okay, see you guys later. I will show you the final shooting of my cake. Hola, my cake is ready. As you can see, I am done with my vanilla cake. Guys, you have to test this cake, how it look like. You see it was very easy for me to remove because I put butter before to rub the pan. It was very easy. Oh my god, you need to test it, guys. You need to test this vanilla cake. I am so excited. I can't wait to eat this vanilla cake, guys. Wow, this is nice. Let me have a taste of this vanilla cake. Wow. This is so delicious, guys. Wow, thank you for joining me today. See you for my next video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not yet done that. Okay, see you for my next video. Bye bye.